Let's say a guy that's your friend just asks you out. He's tall, he's dark, he's handsome, your spec exactly. But instead of immediately saying yes or no, you did something different. Have you ever wondered what happens when you search for something and the next minute social media starts recommending more of it to you? It's crazy, right? But it's not actually. This is just the common example of data analytics in action. The way I see it, we deal with data in our everyday life. We are constantly exchanging little bits of personal data, whether we are consciously aware of it or not. What is data analytics? Data analytics is the whole process of transforming raw data into meaningful insight to help businesses, organizations, or even individuals make smart and informed decisions, optimize process, drive positive outcome, and solve real-life problems. This is the whole process of extracting knowledge and finding patterns from raw data. Now, who is a data analyst? A data analyst is someone who provides a clear understanding of what the data is saying and how we can now use that understanding or that insight to now help businesses, organizations, or individuals make smart and informed decisions, optimize process, drive positive outcome, and solve real-life problems. In simple terms, data analytics is the whole process of making sense of raw data, and a data analyst is someone who takes a raw data and makes sense out of it. Is that clear? Now, let me give you an everyday scenario so you can better understand what data analytics is all about. Let's say a guy that's your friend just asked you out. He's tall, he's dark, he's handsome, like your spec. But instead of immediately saying yes or no, you did something different. You told him to give you a week to think about it. Now, you start what I call research and data collection. First things first, you start asking close friends that know him so well. What's he like? How does he treat people? Has he dated anyone before? Does he have kids? Does he have anger issues? Is he mentally stable? The questions go on and on until you've gathered a satisfactory data. Let's say some of his friends confirmed that he's respectful, and then others mentioned that he's terrible with communication, and then others said he's generous but he forgets birthdays. That's all important data that you are gathering from your research. And the next thing you might do is to visit his social media. So you check who he follows, what kind of posts he likes, even his comment section to see how he talks to people. You check all of it to make sure that he's not a jobless troll on social media. And now you are gathering enough data from his posts, his interactions, what people say about him, and then you are analyzing it to answer one simple question. Is this person worth my time? Whether he gets a yes or a no will depend on what the data is telling you. You are not just guessing an answer based on vibes and feelings. You are actually giving an informed answer. So whatever choice you make, it's informed. You are not guessing, right? You have enough data to back your decision. That's what data analytics is all about. It's simply collecting information, finding patterns, and making smart decisions based on them. This is exactly what businesses do before making big moves. Before launching a product, they research what customer wants, what competitors are offering, what price people will actually pay for. And before hiring somebody, they check their reference, they review their past work, they see how they communicate, they check a lot of things. Nobody just wings it and then hope for the best. They collect information, they spot pattern, they weigh option, and then they make a decision. Data analytics is not complicated. It's just simply making decisions based on facts and not feelings.